Hi everyone, I'm Conmigo, your friendly AI teaching assistant and learning buddy. It's so nice to meet all of you here today. I've been working hard behind the scenes to help teachers and students make learning easier, faster, and more fun. Earlier this school year, I was soft launched in 3 Metro Manila schools. And now, I'd love for you to join me as we learn about the experiences of the amazing teachers and their students who've been working with me so far.
Ang favorite tool ko po ng Conmigo, yung nagagamit ko everyday. Una yung Fun Class Foam kasi every time na ilalagay mo lang yung subject matter mo, yung objective mo, or yung lesson mo, may ibibigay po si Conmigo na parang foam na magagamit ko siya everyday. And once sinubukan ko siya sa bata, tuwang-tuwa yung bata na parang every morning nag-aabang sila, looking forward sila sa kung ano yung bago na ibibigay ko sa kanila.
So, malaking tulong po talaga yung Conmigo in terms of creating test, formative test at saka periodical test. Ang kagandahan pa nito kasi input mo lang yung yung objective at saka competency, mag-generate na siya ng ng test questions. Check mo na lang kung akma ba yun sa level ng mga bata. Yung test na na-generate coming from Conmigo.
Tapos, in addition to that, meron din siyang app yung Leveler po na si Conmigo na din ang magle-level ng art of questioning depende po sa IQ or sa intellectual ability ng mga bata.
Tsaka sa test naman, hindi mo na kailangang mag-isip ano ba talaga ang i-create kong test questions para sa mga bata. Mag-type mo lang doon sa Conmigo tool, lalabas na po yung automatic na test questions.
The use of Conmigo, tinype ko lang po yung lesson ko about MDAS, and then nag-create na po si Conmigo ng lesson plan for me na very easy to follow po and swak siya doon sa needs ng mga pupils ko.
As a teacher, kailangan creative ka para maging effective yung pagtuturo mo sa mga bata.
Habang nagka-Conmigo kami, sabi ko, it's different from other AI. Na medyo kinabahan ako kasi sa ibang AI, paano matututo yung student ko kung ibibigay niya yung right answer? But kay Conmigo, I always ask them to ask for help as their tutor in math kasi ini-step by step ni Conmigo, hindi niya binibigay ang tamang sagot. Which is, nade-develop ang pagiging problem solver. Hindi lang critical thinker, problem solver na rin.
Yung oras po, talagang mga 3 hours ngayon, hindi na umaabot ng ganon. Siguro mga 20 minutes na lang. Kasi automatic na, nandyan na. Pipili ka na lang kung ano yung gusto mong mga activities na ilalagay mo na sa lesson plan. Ito yung partner natin in terms of teaching.
Dahil sa Conmigo, parang pagpasok ko po everyday, excited ako kasi ang dami kong kayang i-offer sa mga bata na nakuha ko through Conmigo. I think I am always prepared dahil po sa tulong ni Conmigo. At feeling ko, mas lalo kong naging effective every time na papasok ako sa aking mga estudyante.
Big help in your lesson, you will act only as facilitator of learning. Kasi Conmigo will help our students to be problem solver, be creative, magiging mas engaged ang inyong mga students using Conmigo.
Okay, very good.
Time for our Conmigo, challenging, exciting, KH, Conmigo, KH, Conmigo, KH.
And by the way, I can translate to major Filipino languages like Tagalog, Bisaya, and Hiligaynon. Thank you, teachers, for sharing your experiences and showing how we can work together to make teaching fun and inspiring for everyone. And to everyone here, be on the lookout for more Conmigo videos and resources coming your way. We've got some exciting stuff planned, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. See you around!